Freedcamp is a versatile project management tool that can help individuals and teams stay organized and collaborate efficiently. Here's how to use Freedcamp effectively. Create an account. Sign up for a free or premium account at Freedcamp. You can start by creating a personal account or invite team members for collaborative projects. Set up projects. After logging in, create a new project for each task or goal. Projects can be for anything, from work-related tasks to personal goals. Each project has multiple features such as tasks, discussions, milestones, and file sharing. Add tasks. Within each project, add tasks by clicking on the Task tab. You can assign tasks to specific people, set due dates, add priority levels, and track progress. Use task lists to organize tasks into categories. Use time tracking and milestones. Track time spent on each task by enabling time tracking. Set milestones to track larger goals or important stages of the project. Collaborate. Use discussions for team communication and files to share documents and resources. The calendar view helps keep track of deadlines.